fix Disney Plus subtitles not showing. So to fix this issue, you can start by restarting the video. Just exit the show, wait a few seconds, and then resume playing. Now the next thing what you can do is toggle the language. Just switch the subtitles to a different language, then change them back to your desired language. Now the next thing what you can do is, you see when you open your Disney Plus app and when you try to watch a video and then your subtitles are not playing, your subtitles are not showing, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then pause in the middle and then swipe away the Disney app from a multitasking screen, then reopen it and then play the video and watch for the subtitles again. Now the next thing what you can do is reinstall the app. If it's a software glitch, deleting and reinstalling the Disney Plus application can clear corrupted data. So what you have to do is, what you can do is just go to the existing Disney Plus app on your device, then tap and hold on it, then tap delete app, and then to confirm, tap delete from the menu, then go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, find the Disney Plus app and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.